Hi and welcome to another product demo from FobFix.com. Today we're going to be showing you our 2013 to 2017 BMax, Fiesta and possibly Transit Courier bladed key programmer. We're just going to be showing you it today on this 13 plate BMax. Vehicle's only got one remote key with it at the moment. Just show you that one. The remote's working fine. We jump in the car out of the rain. There's only one key available for this vehicle. I think there's two programmed, but we'll check that out in a split second. Pop the working key into the ignition. Turn the ignition on. No messages from the dash. Perfectly fine. I've got the seat right back, but I'll just drop the clutch and show you it starting the vehicle perfectly okay. So that's the working key that we've got for it. Just pop that there for a second. We have a second key that we've cut the blade for, so that fits. But the remote doesn't currently work. And if we pop that in the ignition, we turn it on, key not detected because it's obviously not currently programmed. So I'll just pop that out for a second. We don't have to, but right. The OBD port on these vehicles is just behind this panel here. Quite a common place for Fords. It's a little white socket. We'll get a standard FobFix programmer. I'm going to check how many keys are currently programmed, so that's focus on there. All the switches down. Now, all the actions on this vehicle need to be done with the ignition turned on. So if we just pop the key in there, and we'll just plug this into the white socket and just see how many keys are currently programmed. It reckons 2. So what we'll do is we'll add this one in as a third. Get the programmer like this. Pop switch 4 up. So we're in key add mode. Again with the ignition on. Pop this in. There. Get the extra beep. On these the dash will reset. I'm going to diagnostics mode. There we go. As the programmer does its stuff, just flashing away down there. Now you do get engine malfunction message on the dash. Don't worry, that goes away as soon as you cycle the ignition. So yeah, dash just stays in diag mode. Programmer takes about 30 to 40 seconds. I'll just sit there. We'll just leave the ignition on with the key we want to program, and eventually 1, 2, 3. So it's got 3 keys now programmed. Dash comes back to life. I'll just pop the programmer out. Ignition off again. Ignition back on. Unlike the previously programmed key, this is now programmed. No messages on the dash. The clutch again, and key's now programmed. Now that's the transponder part, the key programmed, but on these ones it's not programming the remote, and it doesn't. So what you've got to do is you've got to do that manually. Obviously, the original working remote. So we need all the remotes that we want to program. And what we do is we just take any key, pop it in the ignition, cycle the ignition from off to position 2 4 times, and you'll get a chime from the dashboard. And then we press a button on each one of the fobs. You'll get another chime on each valid button press, and that says the remote's programmed in. But showing's easier than saying. So right, we'll just cycle this 4 times. I want to show you how quickly I do it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, the chime. Press a button on that one. Press a button on this one. And I'll just cycle the ignition once more to come out of fob programming mode. And now we can check. New fob works. Old fob works. Lovely. The programmer does have a delete mode. It's the switch 3 up like we do on these standard programmers, to remove all the keys. I'll tell you what, we'll show you doing that now. So again, any key in the ignition, pop that in, pop that into the port. 2 beeps to say we're in key delete mode. Dashboard resets once again, goes into diagnostics. Programmer will just spend 30 or 40 seconds flashing away, but when it gets to the end, do a key count, and it should give us the 5 red beeps which say there's 0 keys programmed. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drops out of diag mode. And if we take the programmer out, cycle a key this time, again, it thinks that key's not programmed because there's 0 keys programmed. You don't need to see me add these 2 back in, but yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one.